Okay, this is a 1950 Dodge truck, and this is what the steering bracket support looks like. It's shaped so that it makes a box with the frame when it meets up, and the steering box itself has a flush mount for that and three long bolts that hold it through to the other side of the frame. That's what a 50 looks like. Also, because of the emergency pull brake, you have this bracket right here which holds the emergency cable, emergency brake cable. And then over here, this is a 1948 panel truck, and if you look at the steering brace in here, you can see it's more like a C-channel. And because of that, the steering box has an extension on it to go inside the frame rail, so it can reach to be bolted in. So those steering boxes really can't be exchanged, and it doesn't have the little bracket like this one over here. This is another 50. It's a 50 frame, but you can see the e-brake cable is connected to it, if it focuses in on it. And those are some of the differences. Another obvious difference is that these are riveted in, and even that's for the cab perch, it's riveted. Running board perches, arms, they're riveted. And on a 48, though, 49, they're not. They're bolted in. So that's a difference worth noting. And as far as the 48, 49s go, their emergency brake is on the floor. It's a pull brake from the floor, and those two can be very hard to tell apart without paperwork, whether it's a 48, 49. And that's about it.